Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaste. This is Dr. Saileshwari, working as professor in the Department of Music, Dance and Fine Arts, Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I welcome you all for a one-credit course, Muthuswami Dikshita Kritimanimala. As you all know, Muthuswami Dikshita is a versatile composer among Trinity of Carnatic music. He composed almost all his compositions in Sanskrit. He not only composed a variety of compositions like Samudaya Kritis, Group Kritis, Kshetra Kritis, Rare Kritis and Notuswarams, etc., which are almost all of them are in Sanskrit. This course deals with some of his compositions suitable for UG students. Suddha Sahitya, explanation of the meaning of the Kritis, notations provided and direct teaching with the student will facilitate the student to learn the Kritis and to render them with correct diction and Sankatis. Hope you acquire knowledge about some of his compositions. Namaste. Today in this session, I am going to teach a Kriti of Muthuswami Dikshita in the Raga Toya Vega Vahini. This composition is set to Aditalam. First, let me tell you the meaning and Suddha Sahityam and then the meaning of the Kriti. This Pallavi of this Kriti is Gajananayutam, Gajananayutam, Ganeshwaram, Bhajami Satatam, Sureshwaram. This Kriti is about Lord Ganeshwara. Gajananayutam, Ganeshwaram, Bhajami Satatam, Sureshwaram. This is the Pallavi of the Kriti. And then Anupallavi, Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram. Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram, Ganadi Sannuta Pada Padmakaram. And then Samishti Charanam. This Samishti Charana you will find only in Muthuswami Dikshita Kritis, because in this type of Kritis you don't find Charanam. So Samishti Charana plays a role of a connective form, connective anga for both Anupallavi and then the Charana. You don't find Charanam in Samishti Charana Kritis. Samishti Charana will be a bit in fast tempo when you observe the Kriti. So Samishti Charanam is Kunjara Bhanjana Chatura Tarakaram Guruguhagrajam Pranavakaram. Kunjara Bhanjana Chatura Tarakaram Guruguhagrajam Pranavakaram. This is the Suddha Sahityam of the Kriti. Whenever you learn or about to learn a Kriti, you should know the Sahityam and also the meaning, because it shows an impact of rendering and also to present a Kriti. So, coming to the meaning of the Kriti, Pallavi, Gajananayutam, Ganeshwaram. Ananam is face and Gaja Ananam, Gaja is elephant. So, Gajananayutam. So, Lord Ganesha is having a face of an elephant. So, elephant faced Lord Ganesha. Ganeshwaram, he is the Lord of Ganas. And then, I always praise you. Bhajami is to sing or to praise. Satatam is always. So, Bhajami Satatam Sureshwaram. Sura Ishwaram. Suras are gods and goddesses. So, he is the Lord of Suras. Why you say that Sureshwaram? Because Gana, he is the Adi Daivam. So, we praise or we worship Lord Ganesha when we start a program or when we start a work. So, in the same way, we consider Gajendra or the Ganapati Deva as the Adi Daivam. So, Sureshwaram, Bhajami Satatam, I always praise Lord Ganeshwara, who is the Lord of gods. Coming to the Anupallavi, Ajendra Pujita. Aja plus Indra, both Aja is Brahma and then Indra. Pujita, they also worship Lord Ganesha, because it is a common feature that all the gods, goddesses and then the men, women, everyone will praise or worship Lord Ganesha before they do any work. So, in the same way, gods also follow the same rule. Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram, Vigna Ishwaram. So, he takes away all the problems occur in our lives. That's why we worship Lord Ganesha. So he is Vigneshwaram. Vigna is obstacle. So he is the remover of all obstacles in our lives. Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram. Ganadi Sannuta Pada Padmakaram. Ganadi Sannuta. He also praised. He also worshipped by all the Ganas. And then Pada Padmakaram. Generally composers compare feet with lotus or face with lotus. Here Muthuswami Dikshita, he compared both hands and feet to lotus. Pada Padmakaram. Both his hands and feet are like lotus. And then Kunjara Bhanjana Chatura Tarakaram. While doing battle with Kunjara, who killed Rakshasa Kunjara, Ganapati Deva, he showed a significant chaturata, that is skill. So he exhibited a skill in vanquishing the demon Kunjara. That is why Kunjara Bhanjana Chatura Tarakaram Guru Guha Agrajam. Agraja is the elder. Guru Guha Agrajam. He is the elder of Guru Guha Subramanya. So he is the brother of Lord Subramanya. And Pranavakaram. So Pranava is Omkara. When you see physically the form of Lord Ganesha, you can see the physical form of Lord Ganesha, but he is none other than the form of Pranavakaram, Omkaram. So he is in the form of Pranava Akaram, and he is none other than Lord Ganesha. So this is the total meaning of this Kruti is, I constantly sing the praise of Lord Ganesha, the elephant faced, who is the Lord of Devas, who is worshipped by Brahma and Indra, remover of obstacles, whose lotus-like feet and hands are worshipped by Bhutaganas, who exhibited his skill in vanquishing Kunjara. He is the elder brother of Lord Guruguha and is in the form of Pranava. So this is the meaning of the Kruti Gajanana Yutam. Moving on to the Raga Lakshana of Toya Vega Vahini. This Kruti is composed by Muthuswami Dikshita according to the Asampurna Mela Paddhati, and it is named as Toya Vega Vahini, and it is set to Aditalam. Toya Vega Vahini, it is the 16th Melakarta of Asampurna Mela Paddhati according to Dikshita's tradition. When you compare this with the 72 Melakarta system, it is Chakravakam, which is 16th Melakarta. And then it is the 4th Melakarta of the 3rd Chakra Agni. When you observe the 72 Melakarta system, they are equally distributed as 36 and 36. So you find 36 Suddha Majjhama Melas and 36 Pratimajjhama Melas. Only the difference between the two is only the Majjhamam. You find Suddha Majjhama in 36, first 36, and Pratimajjhama with the same Swara patterns, same Swaras, only the difference is with Pratimajjhama. So this is the Suddha Majjhama Mela, and it is the 4th Melakarta of the 3rd Chakra Agni. He also named all the chakras with some of the names. This chakra is named as Agni because we find 3 Agni forms. Dakshina, Ahavaniyam and then Garhapacham indicate the 3 Agnis respectively. So because of that only, this chakra is named as the Agni. And it's a Sampurna Raga and its mnemonic name is Agni Bhu. There is a rule to find out, to get the number of the Melakarta prevalent in the chakra. So Pa, Sri, Go, Bhu, Ma, Sha. These are the Bhuta Sankhya's to denote the order of the Melakarta in the chakra. So if it is Pa, it is the first Mela, Sri, second Mela, Go is the third Mela. So this is the 4th Mela and Bhu is the Bhuta Sankhya. So it's a Sampurna Raga and the mnemonic name is Agni Bhu. And Swaras figuring this Raga are Shedja, Suddha Rishva, and then Antara Gandhara, Suddha Majjhama, Panchama, Chatusruti Daivata and Kaisaka Nishada. This is the Sampurna Mela, so all Swaras will be figuring in this Arohana and Avarohana. But when you refer some treatises like Sangeeta Sampradaya Pradarshini presents a straight ascent and descent. So he considers this as a Sampurna Mela. Geya Shajjagrahopeta Sampurna Vegavahini. So Vegavahini is the name referred because it belongs to the Asampurna Mela Paddhati. He referred this as Vegavahini, which is a Sampurna Mela according to Sangeeta Sampradaya Pradarshini of Subbarama Dikshita. While Sangraha Chudamani says that this is a Vakra in ascent and complete in descent. So in Arohana it is Vakra and Avarohana it is Sampurna. Arohe Purna Vakram, Arohe Purna Vakram Chavarohe Samagrakam. So while coming back in descent it is Samagraham, that is Sampurnam, and while going as and it is Vakram, that is zigzag pattern. Sarigama Padani is the Sampurna Mela. But according to Sangraha Chudamani, it is Sarigama Padani Dasa. So you can observe the Vakra there in the Arohana. It is the Suddha Madhyama equivalent of Ramakriya of 72 Melakatta system. As I mentioned before, there is a Pratimadhyama Mela for every Suddha Madhyama Mela. So 72 Melakatta system, it is the Ramapriya 52 Melakatta, which is equivalent to this raga. According to Sangraha Chudamani, this is said to be a Vakra raga in ascent, that is Sarigama Padanida Sa. According to Sangraha Sangita Sampradaya Pradarshini, it is Sampurna Mela. Sarigama Padani Sa. This. So there is variations of confirming the ascent and descent of this raga, but in usage it is Sampurna, treated as Sampurna only. It is the Suddha Madhyama Mela equivalent of Ramapriya, which is a 52 Melakarta of 72 Melakarta system. And when you observe the Grahaswaras, Amsaswaras and Nyasaswaras, Shadja and Panchama are good Grahaswaras, because in all the Sampurna ragas, always Shadja and Panchama will be good Grahaswaras. And Jivaswaras in this you can find as a Madhyama, Panchama, Daivata and Nishada and Tara Rishabham also. Mapadani da babagareza Sariga baba Pamani da ba Pamani da babagari Sariga mapadani sa Reza dida babagareza. So these are the good Grahaswaras. Grahaswara is the starting note. When you observe the Kritis also, you can see the place of Grahaswaras. Gaja, Mamagari. So Graha, I told that Madhyama is a very good Grahaswara. So you can observe that Madhyama in Gajananayutam. And then when you see the Prayogas, Saba, this is Prayogas you can find in the Laksha Gita by Venkatamaki, Madhura Asada. And they say Saba Mama Saba Ga Bapa. As it is, though it is a Sampurna Mela, you can see Saba Ga Bapa Prayoga in the Lakshana Gita. And then Mapa Mani Dani, there the Dhatu Prayogam. Sarigareza. Instead of that, you can see Samagareza. This is the Prayoga used in the Lakshana Gitam. And Samvadi Prayogas like Sapa, Mapa, Mani, Dani, like the Samvadi Prayogas also you can see in Kritis. Equivalent to Hindustani raga is Ahir Bhairav. And Karuna and Bhakti rasas are observed in the compositions. You can assess the rasa of a Kriti only with the literature and also with the Prayogas that are used in the raga. So when you see the literary part of the compositions, you can see Karna rasa. Bhakti rasa is always prevalent in all the compositions, because all the composers, Vagekaras, composed Kritis to dedicate, to show the bhakti towards their Ishtadaivas. So Bhakti rasa is a very dominant rasa that is prevalent in all the compositions. In addition to that, we can see Karna rasa also in this raga. And some popular compositions in this raga are, as I mentioned earlier, Madhura Sada, a Laksha Gita of Venkatamaki, and Veena Pustakadharini. Veena Pustakadharini is a composition of Muthuswami Dikshita, and Yetula Brotuvo. Yetula, there also, Yetula. And then this is a Tyagaya Kriti. And then Sugunamule Padanidapa. So good Grahaswara Panchama there. Sugunamule Cheppukunti, a Rupakatala Kriti of Tyagaya. And Sarojanabha of Swati Tirunal's compositions, which is set to Aditalam. And Inka Daya Rakuna. This is also very popular kriti in Raga Chakravaka by Ramaswamy Dikshita. So this will be the Raga Lakshanam of Chakravakam, and now we will move on to learn the kriti of Gajanana Yutam. Come Anuvrata. Today I am going to teach you Ganesha kriti in the Raga Vegavahini. Toya Vegavahini. Toya is the suffix which is added for the count to know the name of according to 72 Melakartas. Toya Vegavahini. And I'll start with the Arohana and Avrohana, Murchana of the Raga. Sari ga ma padani sa.
Sari ga ma padani sa.
Sa di da pa ma ga ri sa.
Sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa.
Again. Sari ga ma padani sa.
Sari ga ma padani sa.
Sa di da pa ma ga ri sa.
Sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa.
First Sangati. Gajanana Yutam.
Gajanana Yutam.
Ganeshwaram.
Ganeshwaram.
This starts from the Samagraha. So both the Kriti and then the Talam starts at once. Gajanana Yutam.
Gajanana Yutam.
Ganeshwaram.
Ganeshwaram.
Again.
Gajanana Yutam. Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram. Second Sangati is only an addition of remaining part is same. Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram. Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Third one is Gajanana Yutam Magava Magarisa Gajana.
Gajanana Yutam
Ganeshwaram.
Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Next one is Magamabhagarisa Gajanana Yutam
Gajanana Yutam
Ganeshwaram.
Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram. Next Bhajami Satatam will come. Bhajami Satatam.
Bhajami Satatam.
Sure Pamadava Sureshwaram.
Sureshwaram.
Bhajami Satatam.
Bhajami Satatam.
Sureshwaram.
Sureshwaram.
Again.
Bhajami Satatam. Sureshwaram.
Next Sangati. Gajanana Yutam.
Gajanana Yutam.
Ganeshwaram.
Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram.
Bhajami Satatam.
Bhajami Satatam.
Sureshwaram.
Sureshwaram.
Bhajami Satatam.
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
गजाननयुतं
गजाननयुतं
गणेश्वरम्
गणेश्वरम्
again
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
bhaja sing that
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम् next sangati gaja
गजाननयुतं
गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
गजा
गजाननयुतं
गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
last sangati of bhajami satam भजामि सततं
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
भजामि सततं
भजामि सततं
सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
again भजामि
भजामि
सततं सुरेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं that is concluding sangati गजाननयुतं
गजाननयुतं
गणेश्वरम् Anuvrata, now we will sing the Pallavi from the first Sangati to last one. Okay? Gajananayutam
गणेश्वरम्
Ganeshwaram
गजाननयुतं
Ganeshwaram Gajananayutam
गणेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं
गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरम्
सुरेश्वरम्
again भजामि सततं
भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरम्
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि
सततं सुरेश्वरम्
गजाननयुतं
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
Bhajami.
सततं
In between you have another Sangati, no?
भजामि सततं
Sureshwaram Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram Bhajami Sadatam Sureshwaram Gajanana Yutam Ganeshwaram Bhajami Sadatam Sureshwaram Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram. Now I will teach you the Samisti Charanam. Ajendra Pujita
अजेन्द्र पूजित
Vigneshwaram
विघ्नेश्वरं
Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram
अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम्
Again.
अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम्
Second one, Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram
अजेन्द्र पूजित
Ajendra Pujita
अजेन्द्र पूजित
Vigneshwaram. Again, Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram. Third Sangati, Ajendra Pujita
अजेन्द्र पूजित
Vigneshwaram
विघ्नेश्वरम्
Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ganadi Sanuta
गणादि सन्नुत
Padabadmakaram
पदपद्मकरम्
Ganadi Sanuta Padabadmakaram
गणादि सन्नुत पदपद्मकरम्
Third Sangati again, Ajendra. Sing.
अजेन्द्र पूजित
Vigneshwaram Ganadi Sanuta Padabadmakaram
गणादि सन्नुत पदपद्मकरम्
Kunjara Panjana Chaduradharakaram
कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरगरम्
Guru Gukhagrajam
गुरुगुहाग्रजम्
Pranavakaram
प्रणवागरम्
Kunjara Panjana Chaduradharakaram
कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरगरम्
Guru Gukhagrajam Pranavakaram.
गुरुगुहाग्रजम् प्रणवागरम्
Again, Kunjara Vanjana Chaduradharakaram Guru Gukhagrajam Pranavakaram Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram. Sing this Ajendra Pujita, all the Sangatis once.
अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम्
Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ajendra
पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम्
Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram
गणादि
Sanuda Padabadmakaram Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ganadi பதி சன்னூத பதவத்மகரம் குஞ்சர பஞ்சன சதுரதரகரம் குருகுகிரஜம் பிரணவகரம் குஞ்சர பஞ்சன
சதுரதரகரம் குருகுகிரஜம்
பிரணவகரம் கஜானனயூதம் கணேஸ்வரம் பஜாமி சததம் சுரேஸ்வரம் கஜானனயூதம் கணேஸ்வரம்